So the first step is to recognize that you're ready to do the project, and then the next step is to start looking for contractors. You're gonna do some Google search, research online. One of the nice things we offer are some really great online tools, visualizers, price estimators, certain things to help you along in your project. And then probably your most important step is gonna be set up inspections and estimates, where we come out and educate you on the process and materials available. So you would call our office or book online. We got a lot of very easy, convenient ways to set up an appointment, at which point you would set up a date and time that's good for you. We would set up a consultant to come out and take a look at the project, and they would review the options available, the materials, the pros and cons, the warranties, all the different things you're gonna wanna know as a homeowner doing a project on your home. And then from there, they're gonna go over the price of each of those items, come up with a quote, and hopefully be able to earn your business and move forward. During installation day, I always like to tell everybody, no matter what we're doing, siding, roofing, it's a huge project. It takes a lot of work. The guys are working hard all day, but it is noisy. There's a lot of tear off and debris. We have an amazing netting system that encapsulates your home to keep your home safe and protected, and makes it much easier on our installers and the cleanup and maintenance of the property part of it. But during that time, it's noisy. I always warn people, hey, if you have a dog, you might wanna take them to one of your neighbors for the day or something like that. A roof takes about a day, so that one's pretty quick. Siding's a little quieter, but goes a little bit longer. But again, that's something we would review all those steps with you in the in-home inspection, and our project manager would also review that stuff with you. So as far as choosing the materials, part of our inspection and consultation process is that we're gonna go over the different options, different materials, the pros and cons, the costs of all those different things. You would choose what's gonna be the best fit with the help of our guidance from our consultants. You would choose what's the best fit for you. As far as the delivery of the materials goes, we use a supplier that we're partnered with. They have the trucks and the equipment to make those deliveries. Our shingles, our roofing deliveries, we actually put the material right up on your roof. Really cool truck shows up with a crane. The guys set it up there, helps our roofers work much more efficiently. With siding, we work with you. Where do you want the material to go? We don't want it in the way of your driveway, pulling your cars in and out. So we come up with a staging location for the materials. We let you know the day and time they're gonna be delivered, and then we deliver the materials and start the project. So cleanup and final walkthrough is a major part of what we do. As far as cleanup goes, we use on our roofing projects our catch-all system, which is an awesome mesh net that encapsulates your home, goes onto the ground. So all the shingles and nails and everything that fly off your roof catch on this mesh net. It protects all your landscaping, your windows, your doors, all that stuff. And the guys just scoop anything up that gets on the ground and dump it in the dumpster. As far as siding goes, that's a little bit more of, as they tear it off, they throw it away. So it's a little longer process, but a little bit more efficient, where stuff isn't flying off the roof. So as far as that goes, we make sure as we're working, we're cleaning up. And then at the end, when everything's all done on a roofing project, we're gonna take a leaf blower, blow everything out of your gutters, and then we're gonna take a magnetic rake, walk it around your yard, make sure we picked up any loose nails, clean up all debris, haul away all that debris, haul away any leftover materials, and we're gonna leave your home looking much better than we found it.